Need a really cool animated cinematic video like this? Well, you are at the right place. Hey there, so today's video is all about how you can create a stunning cinematic video using this awesome Gen 2 AI by Runway ML. So the first thing you need to do is head over to their website and sign up and create your account. Then you will see this bring your image to life with Gen 2 option. Then we can simply click on the start with image button. And here we have to drop in our image. So I'm gonna drag in our image here. And now this is a very important and crucial step which many people forget about and don't do this and simply click on the generate button. But we have to click on the settings button here and make sure interpolate is turned off, as that will smooth out some frames. But Runway ML is not so great at doing that task. So after that, simply press this generate button. And then your cinematic video will be generated in no time. It usually only takes about a minute or two. You can sit back and relax and let it do the job for you. And now we have our video ready so we can have a look. And as you can see, it has created sort of a nice transition between the sword and the character. They both have the samurai vibes and the neon and the cyberpunk kind of theme in the background. So we have sort of nice effects going on with the hair, and then the background also has sort of flares going on around. I think it looks really nice. We can also generate more videos by simply deleting this image from the prompt and dragging in another image which we would like. And then of course, by simply clicking on the generate button, we will be able to generate a new video, and you can check that out by dragging all the way down, and this will keep record of all the videos you have generated. Sometimes they have a filter which will see some images which are not up to a standard for the video, so they will be flagged. So make sure you use videos which have nothing silly going on. So pretty much all the images will be fine so long as they follow their standards and are up to a good quality. And of course, if you get flagged by one way or another, they will refund all of your credits. So I have another nice image which we're gonna make a video of. And once we are done with creating videos, the next step we have to do is upscale them so we can use them somewhere and have a nice quality output. So for that, we're gonna use Topaz Video AI. If you don't already know, it is a great tool and you can download it by coming to their website here, and you can simply install it on your computer and upscale any video you would like. Their packages are not exactly cheap, but this is a very great AI for upscaling any videos you would like, and it works wonders. So you can get it for your Windows or Mac platform and then install it up so we can upscale our videos. And here we have one other nice animation. Don't worry about the quality because we're going to upscale it. So here simply download and save it on your computer, and then we're good to go and upscale this up. But before that, we can also check out their text options which we will be using to generate our video. So we're gonna give it a nice prompt and check it out how the text to video option performs. And here we have a video generated simply by our text, and we did not upload any image whatsoever. If we play that out, again we've gotten sort of a nice transition between two images, and they are well animated with the hair of the girl and also some lighting in the background. And you can also save this up so you can upscale it later. And once you have downloaded all of your videos, the next step is of course to upscale them. So we're gonna use the Topaz Video tool which we have just talked about before. And once you open it up, you can simply drag in our video here. And on the settings, make sure to select the resolution up to 4K so you get the maximum quality. You can also use 8K, but I consider it to be useless. 4K is more than enough. And you can change the crop settings if you would like to, but I prefer it to be cropped to fill. And you can keep the frame rate original, as 24 is the standard cinematic frame rate. You don't have to enable any of these effects here. Make sure the video type is progressive and you're good to go for the rest of them. But make sure if you have an NVIDIA GPU or an AMD, you can also select that here. Since I have an NVIDIA one, so I'm gonna keep that as NVIDIA. And last but not least, you can save it and export it anywhere you would like on your computer. So we're gonna save that, and then it will start exporting the video for us. You can see how much it has been done by the process indicator below. Meanwhile, we can check all the videos we have created so far. So here we have our first one, which was this girl. And we had sort of a nice transition here. I think it could have done a better job than this, but I suppose it will do, as this is also a nice animation. And then we had gotten this one by using the text option instead of a image prompt. And this was also really nicely done. And now our video has been processed, and you can already tell we have a much higher quality output as compared to here. And everything looks much crisp and clear in this one. And now if we have a look, You can clearly see everything is so clear and smooth. So this is such an amazing tool you can use to enhance the quality of your videos. We can also do the same for all the videos which we have. So yeah, that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you took some value, consider leaving a like or subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.